Fizzy, sa araw na ito, ibinibigay ko ang mga taon, mga araw ng aking maikling buhay sa'yo. Maglingkod sa'yo habang buhay.
Pirma muna tayo bago release ng Genie natin. So, may malaking ganito. Yay! Akala ko pirma ng wedding certificate. Amazing!
While looking into your eyes right now, I feel a chill of thrill and excitement. I'll always thank God for giving me a companion as I take on this adventure called life.
To grow old with you and spend the rest of my life, just like how we vowed to. Love you, baby. Aww, love you too, baby. The dreams do come true. We're breaking
Thank you for being a piece of heaven in my world, a channel of God's amazing love, a daily reminder of His promise. I love you, my beginning, my middle, and my end.
Loving you meant loving my first love. You made a child's dream come true. You made a woman's come alive. And you make me dream for more. Today I want to make one or two of your dreams come true. Baby!
When the shadows feel like giants.
So whatever difficulties, trials that you will facing, and at the same time, you will experience in your life as a couple, no? Malagpasan na yun, no? Ang malaga yung sinasabi natin that you have time to talk.
Oh, I love you, my wife. Man, a few words talaga, no? Bakit 2 sentences lang? Joke.
Lord, you're with me the way it goes. Should I rise or should I fall? Even so, Lord, your mercy is an even flow. Should I rise or should I fall? You are faithful through it all.
Standing in front of you, I promise I'll always remember the best thing you taught me, to fight for a love I believe in. Thank you for fighting for me through the darkest and brightest moments, for being the first to believe in us, for being the pillar I never thought I needed, and for being the best friend I always wanted.
Happiness doesn't end here, not yet a finish line. The journey just barely started, and we have our big
captain upstairs in the name of Jesus Christ that will guide our paths, and trust Him with the magic of beginnings. I will always love you unconditionally.
This will be the picture of our future. Getting to know new sides of each other, exploring new sides of the world, growing closer to God through each other, and growing stronger in spirit, love, and faith.